Howdy everybody, Phil here from Peterson Farms, Nashville. Today on location with Brayton from Outdoor Adventures with Brayton, and we're looking at installing this Super Winch LP 8500 by Super Winch. He just recently purchased this and put it on a mount with a hitch receiver. So we're going to install it onto his Ram 3500, and then hopefully, if everything works right, we're gonna yank that baby out after we cut it into pieces. Yeah, big white oak. And here comes the star of the show. What is that? Is that a Christmas present?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, DeWalt, that.
Nice.
I can shoot my possums
All
and
right.
raccoons.
Get to work.
Possums and raccoon shooter.
Yeah.
All right, come on.
All right, well, hang on.
It's a two-man job here.
I know it. We gotta make sure we get the shot.
I don't want somebody gonna get shot on two.
All right, you ready?
I guess.
Oh. There you go.
Put the pin in. We lined up? What do you do?
Not lined up. Here.
Huh?
Can you get lined up?
I don't even know. I can't find the hole.
Should we go in or out?
I don't know. Should I go out? Should I go in?
Are you looking?
Well, we're trying to. I'm an old man.
Oh, God.
My God, no, that's not any good now. A little bit more.
Which one?
In. Oh, too far. Just a little bit back. Whoa, right there. Try that. You go in?
It's starting to.
Wiggle it. Wiggle it. Up and down.
Okay.
No editing required.
That's cute.
It is. That way I don't get shot, because it is deer season. Oh my God. If I get down here, I ain't gonna get back up. I told you. I'm an old man.
Oh. I hope the camera caught that.
No, he pushed in on it. Whoa. Right there. Oh, put your pin in. Oh my God.
Where is it? Yeah, I gotta get down.
No, I told you. Frank should turn the truck around. I ain't gonna be able to get up. Oh.
There. Pin is in.
Yeah. Hold on. Made it.
Good for you.
It's on my diet.
Yeah.
Low center of gravity.
Now where are you gonna run this wiring?
To the battery. That way.
All the way up front?
Yeah.
It's gonna reach?
Well, I would hope so.
So this is just a temporary.
Yeah.
So where does this go?
That comes up here too, or any ground. Find a good ground, that's good too. That way, while you're pulling, you can have your truck.
Yeah. I think we ate a little bit too much biscuits and gravy this morning.
So long since I've opened that door. That hood. I don't know what's going on. Look at this. This is just friggin'. This is like a freaking Jeep awesome. I'm telling you.
Watch it blow up.
May. Go down.
Alright.
Alright, let's see what happens. Pull out the cable.
Trying not to get your license plate in here.
Huh?
Trying to not get your license plate in here.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That way, or
Yeah. What'd you do?
That's like won't stop.
Is that like a lock?
Well, that's free, and it's still free spinning.
Now you gotta tighten all that back up.
Just like that. Hold the hook.
Hold the hook.
Get a shot this way. Get an action shot.
Well, I'm trying not to get your license plate.
It's too late. You realize how many videos that license plate's in? You didn't worry about the last 32 times.
Oh, can I hold it? Oh, I see the truck moving my way.
You might want to bring it over here.
Oh. I ain't getting my finger caught in there.
All right.
Well, money well spent.
The thing left to do is cut an 8-foot section, put a chain around it, and see if it works.
Yeah.
Sounds simple.
Simple enough.
Huh?
Simple enough.
Yeah.
Hey, Brayden. 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 Brayden.
Down there?
Yeah, I would.
You ain't got that cut.
Be safe. Be safe.
Okay, Winch. Good.
They go good?
Yeah.
Can't remember what we did with them. New wedge, new style wedge.
Right.
Okay.
Nobody's died yet on Christmas. Yet.
I'm just proud of you for wearing your safety
Aren't
equipment.
you? I am too.
All right, you want me to go? I'll go. I'll bring the chain down. Or the.
Please? Okay, bring the chain down for
All
you.
right.
Flip that handle over and you can pull it.
Alright, dude.
Oh.
Which
Okay.
way are we coming up? Good. Go up through
You gotta
here.
come up over that log out there.
Okay.
Take every end you want.
Let's see this one.
Alright. You know, by the time you stick your hand in there, by the time they'll break.
Yeah.
We got it on video though. There you go. I'm gonna go hook it up, hook it back for you, your battery.
Go around. Okay, go ahead.
It's that emergency brake.
Probably a good idea.
I have to hold up on that. We're digging in the ground now.
Did it shut it down?
Yeah,
Yeah. Had to cut those logs out of the way.
charging battery?
Yep.
I don't think we're gonna be able to do long. Let's just set up firewood.
Yeah. I think this is where you need a tractor.
Huh?
This is where you need a tractor. Tractor would pull that out.
Oh yeah. raise it up.
Yeah.
Speed it up.
Yep.
At least no winch works.
Yeah, winch works fine. We're just asking it to do.
Need a cone. Like those orange cones that one thing's got. It goes on the end of the log. Don't dig in the ground.
Yeah. Yep. Well, I'd say the winch did fine.
Not bad for
All right, so you can see the winch performed flawlessly. We were just asking it to do a lot. Pulling that 8-foot, what was that, about 24-inch diameter?
Probably. White oak.
White oak. Up this hill, which we were not going to get any further anyway, so we will go get the tractor and haul it out that way. But until then, I'm Phil from Peterson Farms in Nashville. That's Brayton from Outdoor Adventures of Brayton, and we just do these kind of things so that friends, family, and future generations can look way back when and see what we did in the future. God bless you all till next time.